Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening both the source spreadsheet and the target sheet. This lets you copy exact ranges and test changes immediately. Once done, note the source file name, the specific sheet tab, and the cell range like A2, C100 so you avoid broken references. Make sure you pick one-way linking for aggregated data or two-way only if both sheets must update each other, because two-way requires scripts or add-ons to avoid circular updates. You will insert the linking formula now. For another file, paste equals import range, spreadsheet URL, sheet 1, A2, C100, into the target cell and press enter, then click Allow Access when prompted, because Google requires permission to read the other file. For same file links, type equals sheet 1, A2 and drag to fill. This is faster and preserves formulas. Once the data appears, use value formatting and array formula to expand ranges efficiently and avoid manual. You finish by validating the linked results. Compare a few random rows to ensure accuracy, then convert to values if you want a static snapshot. If you see #ref or #n/a, make sure the range string and spreadsheet URL are exact and that permissions were granted. Often a mistyped sheet name causes the error. If two-way sync is required, set up a small app script or a trusted add-on, because built-in formulas do not write back to source sheets automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.